Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy M42 5G. Okay, for that we will need the power button for and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you will have a screenshot. After you are able to edit the picture here or to share it directly with WhatsApp or Messenger and so on. One more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and we will have a screenshot. And if I tap now here on the editing symbol, I'm able now also to draw something here, or to mark something here at the screenshot. And here at the corners, I can also crop here a part of the screenshot, like the Google bar here. Okay, and if I go now here on the sharing symbol, I can share directly with WhatsApp or Messenger and so on. Or if I go here on the arrow, I save it directly to the gallery. In the Popo gallery, the screenshots are of course here at the gallery. And what is very nice here at the category albums, the screenshots have their own folder just with your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or may just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And maybe at the next time. Ciao.